Hey guys, it's Marky and welcome back to my channel. For this video, it's a very special video because finally we are going to unbox a very special gift na binigay ng YouTube at binigay ninyo sa akin after 2 years of creating educational content. Umabot na nga tayo ng 100,000 subscribers at higit sa lahat, tatanggap ko na din ang aking silver play button. And today, for today's video, we are going to unbox this one. So let's start! So yun na nga, before we start unboxing this very special gift, let me take you back to 2 years ago kung saan tayo nagsimula, kung saan ako nagsimula. So it was March 2020 when I started creating content, educational content. I started recording videos. Kasagsagan ng lockdown noon, di ba? Parang 2020 nag-start yung pandemic. So kasagsagan ng lockdown, so naisip ko parang why not create something or videos, create videos na I think makakatulong sa mga students and put it on a platform like YouTube para mas madali ko itong ma-share. As a senior high school teacher, I feel that I have, lots of wisdom and insights about the senior high school. And then naisip ko, why not create a video para naman mas maging makabuluhan yung aking lockdown. So, yun na nga, noong April 2020, 1 month after creating videos, I finally uploaded my first ever video on YouTube about the complete senior high school track and strands. And then, medyo nagustuhan naman ng ating mga students, medyo nagustuhan nyo naman. So, I'm very thankful for supporting this channel from the very start, nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo. I can still remember that time when I first hit my 100 subscribers, tapos yung 100, naging 300, naging 400, naging 600, naging 800, and I became very excited in creating more nung papalapit na ako ng 1,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. Yes, nakuha natin yung 1,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. So I thought, naisip ko parang, uy, there's an audience for this particular content or particular genre. And ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy akong gumawa ng video, and today, finally, after 2 years, taran! Nandito na ang aking silver play button, and I cannot thank you enough, but maraming salamat sa pagbibigay niyo sa akin ng chance to share what I know about senior high school and other educational content. Nakakataba ng puso because it's 100,000 subscribers. I think isa ang YouTube sa mga platforms, video platforms na mahirap talagang mag-gain ng subscribers. So, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Dahil nandyan kayo, sumusuporta sa akin at sa aking mga content. So, simulan na natin. Buksan na natin to kasi marami na akong sinasabi. Dami ko ng dada. Let's start! So, ito na nga. Kumuha na ako ng gunting para mas madali nating mabuksan. So, this is the first time na makikita natin to. Sabay-sabay tayo. Kasi dumating ito noong 1 week ago. Hindi ko pa binubuksan because I want to create a video para sabay tayong makakakita nitong silver play button. Galing pa itong US. Isang buwan din ko din itong hinintay because I requested for this last February 25 kasi nga nung February 25 bandang 11 AM umabot na nga tayo ng 100,000 subscribers, tapos I applied for a silver play button. Ito na nga yun. I requested for it. I emailed YouTube, and then maraming process na ginawa. Actually, it's very simple but marami siya. So I have to wait around a month bago siya makarating. Ang hirap palang buksan. Teka lang. Ayan. So, nabuksan ko na. I'm very excited. Sabay-sabay nating tingnan ang aking silver play button. Hello, kinakabahan ako. Teka lang. Okay. As usual, itong ating foam, black foam. For protection. Ayan na. So, meron tayong congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care. Rick. Thank you, Rick, for taking care of my award. Thank you so much, everyone. At of course, ito na yung teka. Baka makita. Teka lang. Basahin ko muna yung letter. So, some 100,000 subscribers. Ayan. Ewan ko kung makikita niyo. Just how far you've come. Just how far have you come pala? Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Ang dami! That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you're also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. Aww. Sarap. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, pinirmahan ni Susan, yung kapitbahay. Susan, hindi ko ma-pronounce yung apelyido na. The CEO of YouTube. Ayan. Thank you, YouTube. Ang sarap. Anyway, ito na nga. Sabay-sabay nating tingnan. Finally! Aww. So, ito na nga siya, guys. The silver play button is presented to Marky Ermac for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. So again, maraming salamat sa inyong tiwala at suporta sa akin at sa aking content. And I hope to still see you all in my YouTube channel, liking, commenting, and subscribing and sharing my videos. At idagdag ko lang for those who are on TikTok, nasa TikTok na rin tayo, just search Marky Ermac or at Marky Ermac. Dahil doon ko share sa inyo ang mga short content tungkol sa senior high school at of course, maybe tungkol sa aking personal life as a senior high school teacher. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo and hopefully aabot pa tayo ng 1 million subscribers para magkaroon naman tayo ng golden play button. But of course, for now, let's just enjoy what we have. The silver play button is, I think, a blessing already for me in my YouTube journey. And dahil yan sa inyong lahat, sa inyong patuloy na pag-watch at pag-share at pag-like at pag-subscribe sa aking channel. Again, maraming salamat. And to end this video, let me borrow the words of Paulo Coelho from his book, The Alchemist. It says, "When you want something in life, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it." This has been your friend, Sir Marky. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at patuloy na pagsuporta sa akin at sa aking channel. Laban lang!